1 week from today, the federal government could shut down for the first time since the 1995 budget standoff. The House and Senate are far apart on cuts to the federal budget, and so far Republicans and Democrats have not been able to agree on a continuing resolution to keep the government operating. So what exactly is at stake? News Channel 5's Kelly Dunn joins us now live from the newsroom to explain. Kelly?
Jay, billions of dollars in funding to domestic programs are on the line in this budget fight, from college Pell Grants to funding for public broadcasting. But it's one particular cut that has advocates for a controversial group speaking out today. Republicans in the House passed nearly $100 billion in budget cuts for the rest of the year, including stripping out money for Planned Parenthood, money that group uses for STD tests and other health screenings for women.
Under the guise of deficit reduction, they're trying to eliminate life-saving cancer screenings, breast cancer screenings, basic birth control, and education.
Democrats are pushing back against the GOP cuts, saying that they strip away essential programs.
This is an attempt, a politically motivated attempt, to stop funding for an important organization that for years has provided access to health care that women otherwise would not receive.
Senate Democrats are hoping to extend government operations at current funding for at least a couple of weeks to try and work out a deal. But it's current funding that's the problem, says Republican Congressman Tom Rooney.
Level funding is what got us into the mess that we're in. Having the same kind of funding that we've had over the last 2 years is what the people responded to in November.
Rooney says it's unfortunate programs like Pell Grants and health funding are on the chopping block, but
can't count how many things there are that are programs or funding sources from the federal government that are going to be hard on a lot of people.
Now, House and Senate negotiators may be working on a plan that would extend government operations an extra 2 weeks, cutting as much as $4 billion from the budget. No word on where the money for Planned Parenthood would fall under that deal. In the newsroom, Kelly Dunn, News Channel 5.